We're roaming in the forest, an Amazon adventure by Lori Krebs and Ann Wilson. Rainforest sunset. The dark fades away and everyone eagerly greets the new day. Fly, squawk the parrots. From branches and twigs, we'll swoop down to breakfast on ripe, juicy figs. Jump, chatter monkeys, or swing if you dare. We'll hang by our tails and then leap through the air. Snooze, yawn the sloths, all ready to doze. We'll nap in the trees as we cling by our toes. Swim, gurgle pink river dolphins with pride. We'll nuzzle our calves while we swim side by side. Sip, murmur butterflies, high in the sky. We'll lunch upon nectar as we flutter by. Watch, snap the caimans with wide awake eyes. We'll offer our prey an unwelcome surprise. Hide, croak the bright little poison dark frogs. We'll burrow down under the moss-covered logs. March, order leaf cutter ants on parade. We'll bury our cuttings in the gardens we've made. Spin, hum the spiders, perfecting a snare. We'll capture our supper. Would you like to share? Scoot, hiss the gecko and lizard and snake. We'll skitter and scramble and slither and shake. Grouch, growls the jaguars as husk closes in. We'll hide until dark when our hunt can begin. Hush, whisper otters to pups in a heap. We'll cuddle together till we fall asleep. Rainforest sunset, the moon's on the rise, and everyone listens to night's lullabies.